Okay, students. Last we saw present worth. We calculated the present worth for the two alternatives. Okay, for the two alternatives. Now we are going to calculate. What we are going to do is we are going to see this alternatives. We are going to compare the two alternatives by annual equivalent method. Previous problem we calculated the p value. Now we are have to calculate a value. Okay, so a value, annual cost or annual revenue. Okay, so both we can calculate. For example, two alternatives are there. Okay, so one is annual cost problem. So in the two alternatives, which one you will choose? More cost you will choose or less cost you will choose? Cost means it should be least one. I have to choose the alternatives. If it is revenue means for us it's coming to us. So among the two alternatives, which is giving more revenue, you have to choose it. Okay, so that is what you should be very careful. Cost means choose the least from the alternative. Revenue means choose higher from the alternative. Fine. So among all these different kinds of method, first thing is what you should know. Cash is inflow or outflow. That you should know. First point. Second point is which formula I have to use it to calculate the particular one. P means what is the formula I have to choose. So what are the three? Only three formulas we have. Equal payment from the sinking fund method, equal payment series in the capital recovery amount. These three formulas we have. Okay, so out of these three, which one I have to choose? That is what. Only two step. First is up or down we should choose. Second one is which formula I have to choose that. Okay. Fine, we'll go to this annual. We have to calculate annual equivalent return value. Okay, so we'll see the formula, the problem for that. Okay, so comparison of the alternatives by annual equivalent method. A company is investing two mutual exclusive alternatives. The life of both alternatives estimated to be 5 years. What do you think? You can put like a company is going to invest a certain money by some product, some equipment we are going to invest. You think like that. So life of both the alternatives in estimated to be 5 years with the following investment. Annual return. So every annual we are getting some return from the product. And salvage value. Salvage value means what? I need to pay certain amount of money to the company. Okay, so that I will get certain money at the end in my bank. That's what salvage. So determine the best alternative based on the annual equivalent method by assuming I is equal to 20%. Okay, we'll see the choices. So investment X and Y. So first product we are going to invest 2,50,000. Second product 2,75,000. Annual equal return. Okay, return we are getting this. Okay, then it is plus. Salvage value also plus. Okay, investment is going out and this return and salvage value is coming in. Okay, so that this is actually we are going to take over that money at the end of the period. That's why it is plus, because we are going to calculate a value. Okay, so for all this we need to calculate a value. Okay, so annual equal return is a value only, right? Investment, it is wholesome value they have given. Fine. So then we have to calculate a investment to be made every annual we need to calculate. Correct? So formula for this should be the third formula. So first 1, 2, 3 formula is there. You remember that? You remember that? This is formula 1, single payment. This is formula 2. This is formula 3. Okay. So we can say that equal payment series, sinking fund. Here equal payment series, capital recovery amount. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 formula. I will put numbers only. Okay, so if I am explaining something, I'll say numbers. So now investment is one time payment. So what you have to do, every we are calculating A only. So every month what is the recovery I should do? A calculation. So formula 3 I have to use it. Annual equal return. They have given directly annual equal return. So I don't need to put any formula because A only they have given. Fine. Next the salvage value. So salvage value also 20,000 every month I need to pay for this. Because salvage value cannot be like 20. See 2,50,000 salvage value 20,000. Fine. So we need to calculate the A value for this. So salvage value means always salvage value is coming to our pocket only. For that 20,000 they have given wholesome amount. So every month how much amount I should pay, that is I should know. Every month how much I should pay, then only I'll get 20,000. So formula 2 I have to use it. So investment I should use the formula 3. Annual equal return, no need to use any formula because A only they have given. Salvage value, every month I need to pay so that I'll get 20,000. So formula 2 I have to use it. So determine the best alternative based on the annual equivalent method by assuming I is equal to 20%. So this is the cash flow diagram. So 2,50,000 is the investment. Every year 90,000 I am paying. Okay, annual, I mean every year return, I'm sorry, annually I'm getting this return. Okay, and 20,000 is the salvage value for this. This is what the cash flow diagram. So what formula I have to use it? Already I told you. Investment means what formula I have to use it? Investment I made. So every month I need to get certain money. Okay. So equal payment series, I need to calculate every month how much recovery I will get it from the investment. So formula 3. Formula 3 I should use it. Next thing is plus salvage value. Salvage value 20,000 I should get means every month how much, every annual how much A I should get it. Formula 2. This is the formula 2. Plus annual equal return. Return is how much? 90,000. Okay, so answer is 9,180. Okay, we'll go to the next alternative. Cash flow diagram. Cash flow diagram. Investment is 2,75,000. So how much every year, how much recovery I should do it? Formula 3 I have to use it. Next is 10,000. 10,000 is the 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh is the annual return I am getting. So 1 lakh is the annual return I am paying it, and the salvage value is 50,000. So if I need to get 50,000, how much I should pay annually? That I should calculate. Okay, so that is what cash flow diagram. We'll see the first is formula for investment, formula 3, for salvage value formula 2, plus annual equal return 1 lakh. So 14,850 return I'll get. So from the alternative one I'll get some around 9,000 something. From the second one option I'll get some 14,000. So among these two method, first alternative equivalent return is how much I'll get? 9,000. Second alternative I'll get 14,000. So which will give more return? I should choose that option. So I have to select Y. This is what annual equivalent return method.